Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your November love and work forecast for Capricorns. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. This is a general reading, but it will resonate with you, and you can watch it anytime. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And if you subscribe and comment, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of the month by random name selector. One person will be selected to win a reading, free reading, and free mini readings. And let's see, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot for Hindi Urdu versions. Click the link in the timestamps below. Let's see, Capricorns, how the theme of the month is for Capricorns. Wow, new start, money coming in, fresh new start. This is crisp, this is solid. Wow, your cards are jumping. Three of Pentacles, the Strength, and the King of Cups. Wow, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces this month, Capricorns. I also see that this is a powerful new start for you. This is a new start in your work, in your career, or rather in all areas of your life. You are building a solid foundation, or you have already built a solid foundation, so you will find the expansion in something. Money is coming, yes. I also feel that some of you were having health issues. They are going to be resolved. These health issues you had, you will find freedom and relief from them. Some twin flame relationships will heal. Major process is of healing in your life, Capricorns. And yes, you will feel more positive, more confident, and also more happy this month. So congratulations. And the theme of the month is also cooperation. So you will find a lot of people cooperating with you. A lot of people wanting, you will find your soul tribe. Yes, you are going to find your soul tribe, so don't worry. And I also feel that yes, a brand new start is coming. Someone wants to cooperate, someone who has a lot of emotions for you. We'll see with the love life, but I do feel it's happening for you right now. A lot of success. So good energies, Capricorn. Let's see. I hope you can see the cards. Love life for Capricorns. The Seven of Cups. The Hanged Man, the Nine of Pentacles. The Hermit, the Three of Wands. The Six of Cups, beautiful. The Four of Swords and the Nine of Wands. Ooh. Capricorns, the King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Interesting, very interesting. And the Three of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. So I see you start the month feeling slightly confused about your love life. You don't know where things are going. Maybe you are unsure about a person, or if you are single, you're slightly confused. Even in a relationship, or even if you're waiting for someone, you're not sure what's happening. You don't know. There are everything is possible now. Things are up in the air. But I also feel that you will be very focused about your career and your own self-worth. You are working on your career. Your focus is on self-help, self-healing. So that is going to change, create a shift in your love life, Capricorn. And I do see that someone, once you start taking your energy, start making, I do feel there is someone who likes this energy and aura you're giving out. Very confident, very independent, but things are stuck. Things are stuck. But I do see that someone from the past is going to change their perception about you, or you are going to change your perception about someone from your past or from your current partner. Current energy. Something is going to shift, which is stuck right now. So in the mid of the week, in the second week of November, I do feel someone who has been a hermit, someone who was not talking to you, who was in no contact, they are suddenly going to come back and message you, hey, how are you? Let's take things forward. Happy holidays. They might come as like, happy holidays, let's take things forward. And you'll be like, what? What happened? You were like, I haven't seen you in a while. But they have a change of heart. This person is having a change of heart, yes. And the mid of the month, you are going to find the love that was lost. It is going to come back, this happiness, this union, this love, this chemistry. But you will still be slightly a little, you will want to take things slow, Capricorn, because you don't know whether you can trust them, or whether they are still the same person, or they still, you want to take things slow. Even though there is a lot of love, there is a lot of commitment and communications and harmony mid of the month, but you will still try to take things slow. I do feel this person is there to stand with you and cooperate with you. If they were in no contact, they still, they want to come back and make the effort, because they see you now as this king or this queen. Communications will be very strong. Some important communications will happen this month regarding your relationships, marriage. Things are moving forward fast, fast, fast. And I do feel you might get upset at the end of this month, or you might get some heartache. I don't know why. Maybe you are in a third party. So this person is like they want to talk, and then again, you see that they are not, maybe they are not talking to you, or they are busy in their life with work, or maybe you are in a third party for some of you. So you will get upset. Why not? You come back and then you get busy and then you avoid me. So what's the point? But but I do see that they will quickly message you and things will shift again. So it won't be a long wait for this person or for you. Someone wants to work on this connection and remove the hurt they have made to your heart or put you in. So they want to work on this connection, they want to win you, and they're gonna make the effort. Interesting, Capricorns, very interesting. Let's see your advice, Capricorns. Wow, seek the truth. Seven of Swords. Yeah, someone is, oh my God, transformation. Some things are very confusing in your love life, whether you are not able to trust a person or you don't know what you really want in love, Capricorns. It is time that November will, put the, what do you say, the shades from your eyes, pull the blinds and you will see light. Yes, some things are changing, some things of the past will shift, and some better things will take its place. Yeah, rebuilding. You're majorly rebuilding your heart, your relationships, and the way they were. I think this is your month of harmonious relationships. No more, this Seven of Swords, confusion, hurt, pain. No more of that. You are moving forward in a relationship or a marriage or rebuilding something. Let's see your work and career. Capricorns, work and career. Lovers, interesting choice again in your work. The Two of Wands. Oops. The Five of Wands, Two of Wands, and oops, stuck in my fingering. Empress. Yes, you're busy starting your, you have the Ace of Swords. You're busy starting something new this month, or you have already started, so you are taking it to the next level. So yeah, you're, maybe you are starting a business or starting a project, or you are trying to, do something on your own, a self business, self study. You're doing something on your own and you're gonna feel very connected with it, and you're gonna also feel very happy with it, Capricorns. And also I feel there are some doubts or some challenges in your work life. Yes, there is this energy that conflict will be there, so you have to cooperate because you have it in the theme, cooperation. People may not be ready to cooperate or listen to you or your ideas. They might not be open, but you have to find a way. You have to be diplomatic here, Capricorns, because you are this Empress. You can do anything. Yep, you can achieve anything. Also some offers of job or maybe assistance are coming. Maybe If you are looking, I feel like if you are in a business, you need some help, someone to support you or help you out with some course, yes, you will find it. If you are looking for a job, you'll find it. Or maybe some help is coming your way. I also feel if you are a student, someone can guide you. Someone will give you a guidance or a message which will change your life. This is your month to be mature in your work and career. Don't take chances. Don't be too impulsive. Don't be too egoistic. It will go against you, Capricorns. But if you are patient, if you are in this caring, loving vibe, I got it all covered. Don't worry. If you are like that, you'll be fine. You'll be more than fine, in your work, career, and money. Let's see some advice, Capricorns. Let's see some advice. For Capricorns, advice for this month. Open up. See? The Four of Wands. Partnerships are coming, mergers are coming, cooperative people who want to cooperate or help you out, or also things opening in your business, your work life, your finances. Things are moving forward. Don't worry. Let's see what else. Well deserved reward, money is coming your way. You have worked so hard, you're gonna reap that all in the month of November. Also, this is a very passionate, you can see wand energy. So red, this is red is your month color for your month, and you're gonna feel very passionate, aggressive about your, bold about your career. Lead. See, you wanna lead, take charge. Some of you might be getting a degree, some of you might be getting recognized, some of you might be winning something, a contest. I see you are winning some singing contest, or you are enrolling in a singing institution or something, or some degrees. Sacral chakra, you're very passionate about your work. You're very passionate this month, so take some care, Capricorns. Let's see. Oops. Sometimes I have trouble picking the cards. Ram, aggressive person. Yeah, you are very aggressive when it comes. You're very, you want success. Even Capricorns are like that. They want success at all cost. But I think cooperation and being diplomatic is the word for you, Tower. Solid foundation, success with an effort. Rewards, victory, legs, stepping into a new situation, key, successful outcome for your plans. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beautiful changes in your life. Yeah, you have to listen to your intuition. Target, a goal-oriented person. You're very focused on what you want to achieve, and you will get it. Shark, take care, or others there will be a loss of material wealth. So I feel like you don't be so too aggressive, don't be too quick to start or invest your money. Be careful. Investment with the law. I do feel that some of you might be getting a degree. So if you are a lawyer, maybe you will start giving your consultations. Maybe you are a doctor, so you'll start all those things. You're just graduating and starting with those your business practices. Shield, you need to defend yourself. Yeah, I do feel you should protect yourself because your creativity is super high. So some jealousy might be there. Family wishes coming true. Yes, your family worries will be over. Feeling down or frustrated. Yeah, if things are slow, you're gonna feel frustrated, Capricorns. A woman is important, probably your mother or maybe someone you love. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to win a free reading at the end of this month. Bye for now.